All right guys, today we've got a 15 by 7 out here in Antelope, California. Scratch that, we're in Citrus Heights. What we're gonna do is safely get this down, prep this opening, and install a sectional garage door. So we're gonna go step by step. The first video is going to be how to get one of these down. Here we go. First, what we're gonna do is I've already got my handy dandy stand here. You take, the door's still got tension on it with the springs. So we'll push up, put our stand in, have used 2x4s, things of that nature. Then we're gonna come over here, pull our springs off on each side. You always wanna be careful while doing this because the door is not supported with weight. Now at this point, the stand is the only thing holding our door up. So what I am going to do, so I'm going to push up. That door's balanced on those two hinges. I'm going to get this out of the way. And then we are going to let this door come down, and it's probably going to be a loud bang. Just like that. Now then, that is how the door comes down. Next, what we'll start doing is taking hardware off. So you've got usually 2 or 3 9/16 lags holding the hinges onto the door. I take those out first. Sometimes with these older doors, somebody's modified it and you got a couple of different sizes. So you see I still got my bracket supporting me, we're inching it out. Then we gotta take it over here and get it into the yard so I can get it out to the truck. Almost there, so now that I'm out, you stand it up. So now what we're gonna do, see if we can walk this out. We'll let it kind of rest on us. This old redwood's heavy, dog. Once you get the door moved out, without messing up the house, come back in. Take out all your 9/16 bolt, lags, continue on your way. If you can't get in there, an extension. There you have it. Doors down, hinges are off, and we're ready to start prepping our opening. So guys, that's how we take down one-piece doors as a one-man show here at SCF. If you would like to see how to prep the opening, like and subscribe, leave a comment, and go to the next video. We're gonna prep this, make sure everything's flush, notch some stone walls possibly, and start to install our door. So check out the next one. We'll see you in a bit.